There are certain things that the Immigration Service has already done. So, for example, if you are on a student visa right now, and you're from the Philippines, you can apply for a work permit. So anybody who's from the Philippines who's currently here on a student visa can apply for a work permit based on hardship, that they need to be able to make money to put themselves through college because the money coming from the Philippines isn't happening anymore. People who have filed for their spouses, their U.S. citizen spouses, people who have filed, who are U.S. citizens who have filed for their parents, people who are U.S. citizens who have filed for their stepchildren under 21 or their natural children under 21. They can have those cases expedited by the Immigration Service right now today because of what's been happening in the Philippines. And people who have recently come here, I'm not talking about people who came on visitor's visas 10 years ago. I'm talking about people who have recently come here, who maybe have overstayed on their visa by a couple of weeks, or by 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, or 4 weeks. All of those people should be running into our office because immigration has made arrangements to allow us to file late applications to put them back in status. Okay, so now if you have overstayed by 10 years, they're going to say, come on. Are you kidding me? All right. But if you've overstayed by a couple of weeks, okay, we can make an application say you've got nowhere to go back home. You've got nowhere to go back home. But there has been a lot of talk about it is temporary protected status for every Filipino who is in the United States as of the day that the typhoon hit. Now, what is temporary protected status? It's not a green card. It is a work permit. As long as you can prove you are a national or citizen of the Philippines and you were physically here on the day of the typhoon, you can get a work permit. Our Senator Chuck Schumer, who's the head of the Immigration Subcommittee in the Senate, has requested President Obama to do it. Cardinal Dolan, the head of the Archdiocese here in New York, has requested President Obama to do it. President Obama is a president who says immigration is very important to him. And he has the sole authority to do this. He does not need the act of Congress. He does not need Mr. Boner in the House of Representatives to do anything. He doesn't need a Republican to say anything. He doesn't need a Democrat. All he needs is his signature. Nothing else. And with one stroke of the pen, President Obama can make every person who is in this room a work permit, a social, a driver's license, and go home. Advance.